Alright, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how I'm gonna get a payout with Alpha Capital. So this is the trade that I took today. Before we go into the payout stuff, I just want to go through the trade that I took today to basically get the payout lah. And first I'll show the MT4, hold on, MT5. There we go. So you can see it. Basically, this is the trade that I took on Euro. It's a short trade here. And you can see this is where I entered, this is where I exited. Yeah, just drawing my MT5. Then on a trading view. So just gonna run through quickly. So today was Tuesday. It's my best days to trade. I don't trade on Monday for Euro. So what happened today was at the start of Asian session here, you can see that price went up and created some sort of point of interest here with its 30-minute fair value gap. So I was looking to take short right during the London session after price swept the Asian high, and then when I look closer here, right, it created a nice shift in market structure. There was actually a 5-minute fair value gap here. See if I can zoom it in. There's a 5-minute fair value gap here, as you can see. And then I basically just took a shot at the 5-minute fair value gap. And then my target was basically, at first it was the Asian low, right? It was the Asian low here. But then if you look at the 4-hour chart, sorry, the 1-hour chart here, there's actually this 1-hour fair value gap. So I was actually expecting price to continue into this fair value gap, right, on the 1-hour. So instead of exiting at the Asian low here, I moved my stop loss to about the, sorry, not stop loss, my take profit to around the middle of the 1-hour fair value gap right here. So it was about 5.6 R when I closed. Yeah. So it's 5.6 R. I was risking 500 or 0.5%. So that's why I profited 2.8% because it was a 5.6 R trade. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's try to get the payout. So I'm just gonna refresh. Oh yeah, you can see right from my account here, you can see how like this is the equity curve of my funded account. And you can see how the moment I got my funded account in September, I went straight into drawdown all the way to like 91.6. Can you see that? So I was basically down 8.4% with 1.6% left before blowing my entire fund account. But with my proper risk management, I cut my risk to 0.2, 0.25%, and then I slowly climbed my way out of drawdown, until we break even, and then I hit profit with this trade, right? And you can see if I try to pull up my MT5 here. Let me just make this a little bit bigger, and then do this. So you can see, but it's part of the game. I admit it was psychologically taxing, but when you reduce your risk and slowly try to climb your way out, it's possible lah. So you can see it was on December. I had a very good month. My wins were more than my losses, and yeah, you can see here. So I was actually profited 1.75%, but I mean okay lah, because of spread and commissions and all that. So net I'm only up 0.9%, but hey, better than nothing. So yeah, okay, let's try to get that payout. Let me see. So today is the 6th of Jan, so it's a payout date here, right? And if I'm not wrong, it's payout achievements. You can see, right, phase 1, phase 2, pass verification, blah blah blah. So let's click this account, withdraw amount. If I'm not wrong, you have to choose you have to calculate the profit split, but I'm not exactly sure. Let me just try. Reason I would like to get my very first payout. Right? You don't want to be a bitch about it. Just ask. Let's try. Oh no, you're only allowed to withdraw 783 or less. Okay, So I guess 783 it is. Wait, hold on, let me pull out the calculator. What is 783 divided by 979.53? That's about 80% lah. Okay, yeah, so it's about 80%. So I only can withdraw 80% and I have to key it in. So it's 783. Then let me just submit this. Then we'll see. Okay. Perhaps. Payout certificate. Okay, let's see what's going on. Invoice 80%, 783. Thank you for your business. Wise. Okay. Alright, guys. So it is the next day. I requested the payout on the 6th of January, and today is the 7th of January. And I finally got the payout. So you can see here, previously it was new, right? But now it says approved. So I've checked my Wise and I've received the funds. It's about 1,000 SGD. Then you can see here there's the payout certificate and the lifetime payouts. I think this will update. Then if I go to my Wise, yeah. So you can see here, it's 1,000 SGD. Here. You can see that this is the invoice 783 USD, Alpha Capital, analyst, da 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 da. So yeah, I mean this is on my phone lah. That's why I'm showing it here. I screenshotted it and show you guys. So yeah, so far so good, no complaints. I mean I requested a payout like yesterday and I literally received it the next day. Yeah, so yeah, hopefully this gives some like insight into how Alpha Capital pays out, you know, their payouts and stuff. And if you're like me, you can use Wise, then you'll just transfer to your Wise account and then you can use Wise to pay it out to your bank account. Then it should be quite fast. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next time. Hopefully I get another payout. I'll be planning to buy a 200k funded account and then we can move on from there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.